Good night. My name is Jose Miguel Chaus. I am 40 years old. I was born in Cali in the living in Tuluá. Why you student electronic engineering at UNAD? My family is composed of my wife Viviana Olaya and my son Juan Miguel, 8 years old. In my house we eat chickens. I don't call Austin and I two rabbit called Tito and Bonnie. Are they very funny? I work as supervisor in the industria de gas natural in the Valle del Cauca. My hobbies are play soccer with friends, chatting with my family, and taking bread or sleep. Last vacation, I went to the Buenaventura. First of all, I stayed there for 3 days. Then I went to the beach with my wife. I liked it because I was fun. Let's get start saying I only paid 1,500,000 pesos. Let's start saying I visited a lot of places. After that, I walked down the wool road. I barked several birds. I barrow. I came back on Monday in the morning. The weather in Buenaventura and in the day in the morning is breezy, but it becomes very sunny at noon. I want to give recommendation. It is necessary that people put on a little sunblock. Thank you.